Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're going to start pairing now. First, make sure the case and earbuds are charged above 50%, low battery blocks pairing. Once done, open your phone's Bluetooth menu so it's ready. Take both Indy earbuds out, then place them back in and hold the button on the case for about 3-5 seconds until the LED flashes. This forces pairing mode. Make sure other nearby devices aren't actively connected because the Indies prioritize known connections and can skip pairing if they find. Now choose Skullcandy Indy from the list on your phone or tablet. You'll see it labeled clearly. Tap it to connect. You should hear a short confirmation tone from the earbuds and see a connected status on screen. This confirms the left and right are linked and the phone is paired. If only one earbud connects, take them both out and reinsert to force a resync. Make sure any previously paired device isn't auto-reconnecting, because that will prevent your current device from completing the link. Finish by testing audio and the mic, play music and make a quick call to confirm both work. If you encounter issues, stuttering, one side silent or no connection, reset the Indies. Place them in the case, then press and hold the case button for about 10 seconds until LEDs flash. This clears pairing memory. Once reset, repeat the pairing steps. Also, install the Skullcandy app and update firmware when possible, because firmware updates fix connectivity bugs and improve stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.